Welcome back to our channel, Stormrider. When you hear the name ZBugati, the first image that usually comes to mind is speed, luxury, and cutting-edge engineering. But in 2026, the company decided to surprise everyone by stepping into an entirely different class of vehicles, the world of motorhomes. The 2026 ZBugati Motorhome isn't just another luxury camper. It is, in many ways, a complete reimagination of what a motorhome can be. If traditional motorhomes are rolling houses on wheels, this one feels more like a luxury penthouse, fused with the heart of a supercar. Today, we're taking a deep dive into its features, design, performance, and the tech that makes this machine stand apart from anything else on the road. At first glance, the exterior doesn't look bulky or box-shaped like most motorhomes. Instead, it carries smooth, aerodynamic curves inspired by the company's signature hypercars. The body is made from a lightweight composite blend of carbon fiber and reinforced aluminum, allowing strength with reduced weight. Even though it's large enough to serve as a full-time living space, the styling is sleek and modern, with LED lighting strips running along the sides and a dynamic grille up front. The paint options include matte and metallic finishes, along with customizable dual-tone trims. Even stationary, the motorhome looks like it's in motion, capturing that sporty DNA Bugatti fans are obsessed with. But the exterior isn't just about looks. Designers focused heavily on aerodynamics to improve fuel efficiency and stability. Wind tunnel-tested fins, a smooth roofline, and retractable side mirrors help reduce drag. The windows use smart tinting glass that adjusts to sunlight automatically, keeping the interior cool without the need for constant AC. And for adventure lovers, the chassis has an adjustable air suspension system that lifts for rough terrain and lowers for a more stable drive on highways. It shows that luxury and practicality can work hand in hand. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where the ZBugati Motorhome really breaks the stereotype of slow, heavy RVs. Under the hood is a hybrid powertrain combining a twin-turbo V8 engine with dual electric motors. Together, they produce over 900 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. More power than many sports cars on the road. Even though no one expects a motorhome to be fast, this one can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 6 seconds. More importantly, it can climb hills, tow extra cargo, and maintain power on long trips without strain. The electric motors provide silent driving for city cruising, while the gas engine kicks in for long-distance power. There's also regenerative braking, which recharges the battery whenever the vehicle slows down. Fuel efficiency for a motorhome of this size is usually a concern, but the hybrid system helps keep consumption surprisingly low. A fully charged battery allows short-distance electric-only travel, perfect for campsites or eco-restricted areas. Long journeys combine electric and gasoline output for an extended driving range. The battery pack can be charged using built-in solar roof panels, a shore power connection at campgrounds, or a fast charging station. It means owners have multiple energy sources instead of relying only on fuel. Moving inside, the motorhome's interior is what truly sells the luxury lifestyle. When the side door opens, you step into a high-end living space filled with materials you would normally see in supercars and luxury homes. Soft-touch leather, polished wood, brushed aluminum, and ambient mood lighting fill the space. The living area features a sofa that converts into additional sleeping space, a hidden TV that slides out from the wall, and 360-degree sound speakers. Everything is voice-controlled from lights to temperature. The main bedroom at the rear has a queen-sized bed, overhead storage, and panoramic windows that can switch from transparent to frosted for privacy. The kitchen area is compact but fully functional. It includes a convection stove, a smart refrigerator that manages electricity consumption, a microwave, and plenty of storage. There's also a water purifying system, which allows travelers to refill from natural sources. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious with a standing shower, a modern sink, and heated flooring. You get the feeling of being inside a small apartment rather than a motorhome. One of the most impressive parts is the tech integration. The vehicle runs on a central AI system that controls navigation, maintenance alerts, interior environment, and even suggests stopovers based on fuel, battery level, and rest time. The driver's cockpit is pure futuristic design. Minimal buttons, full digital display, a steering wheel shaped like a hypercar, and driver assist features including automated lane keeping, collision prevention, 360-degree cameras, and semi-autonomous highway cruising. That means the motorhome can actually drive part of the journey on its own, while the driver relaxes. Storage is another win. Hidden compartments, roof racks, bike mounts, and even a small rear cargo garage make it practical for long travel. For families or groups, multiple seating layouts are available, allowing customization depending on how many passengers are on board. A unique selling point is the expand-out living modules. At the push of a button, the sidewalls extend outward when parked, creating extra interior width. This transforms the inside into a much larger living area without affecting road size while driving. Campers get extra room without needing tents, attachments, or complicated setups. The roof deck is another highlight. It can be accessed through a fold-out staircase and serves as a lounge area, with seating, railing, and optional umbrellas, perfect for sunset views or stargazing. With all this luxury, safety was not ignored. Multiple sensors constantly scan surroundings. The body is reinforced with an advanced safety cage, and the battery compartment has heat management systems to prevent overheating. Even in emergency situations, the AI can help bring the vehicle to a safe stop. Of course, a motorhome like this does not come cheap. Its price puts it in the ultra-luxury category, making it accessible mostly to high-end travelers, celebrities, or world explorers who want the best of both luxury and mobility. But even if many people won't own one, the technology and innovations in this motorhome may set new standards for the future of mobile living. In the end, the 2026 ZBugati Motorhome is not just transportation. It is a blend of automotive engineering, smart technology, and luxury design. It offers the freedom of the open road without sacrificing comfort, power, or style. For anyone who has dreamed of traveling without limits and doing it in supercar-level elegance, this machine proves that the future of motorhomes can be just as exciting as the future of cars.